Hello world, welcome back to my channel. My name's Paul. We're all loaded up, ready to go again. Today we're going to Agra. I'm excited, get to see the Taj Mahal. I'm very excited, and I got one of those great deals on Agoda, and I've got a room that's normally around $180 a night. I've got it for about 35 Australian a night, so about 25 US, which is pretty good, guys. So I booked in there for 3 nights. Well guys, I just pulled over to put on a warm shirt because it's pretty wet and cold, and these guys invited me in for a cup of tea. They wouldn't let me pay. There she is sitting out there in the wet, and I'm going to enjoy this cup of chai and then get some more miles up. We've got about 3 hours to go to Agra. Oh, that policeman in front of us there, he just stopped me to, he just wanted to ask about the tyres on the back. Anyway, look at this beautiful road, all this eucalyptus trees. If it wasn't for all these tuk-tuks going up the road, I'd think I was back at home. It looks kind of like Ballarat or something. Amazing. Anyway guys, I'm about 26 minutes from my hotel. That's Google Maps times, but on the motorbike it's pretty accurate. So I'm going to go and get booked in. Beautiful guys, and it rained after the rain finished this morning. It's just been this beautiful overcast day, nice and cool. Really enjoying today. Well guys, this is where I'm staying, the Howard Plaza. I was a bit disappointed when I first got here, but once I was inside, it's amazing. I'm excited. Off to see the Taj Mahal. Exciting. I'm going to go to the viewpoint first, which is at the other side of the river, so we'll see it across the river. I think originally that's how it was meant to be seen, but I could be completely wrong. So we're going to head there first, then there's another viewpoint, and then we'll actually go to the Taj Mahal, and I will go in this time. Well guys, they won't let me in here. I just want to go the other side of this gate, but there she is. Okay guys, and here it is, and now the army's telling me to leave, so I have to leave. Well guys, I'm at the Taj Mahal, parked up the bike. It's about 2 kilometres to the Taj Mahal from the park. This is Arif. He's part of the Indian government, and he's going to be my tour guide, and I only have to tip him at the end. You know, I can give him nothing if I want, but I won't. I'll tip him. But he's going to show me around. I'm very excited. And for things, helmets aren't allowed in. So, but there is a locker up here. He's going to take me to the locker, and we'll leave the helmet in the locker. Now, I'm at the ticket office. In the internet, it said 950 rupees per person, but it's actually 1,300. But that's all right, guys. $26 to see one of the 7 wonders of the world is nothing, and that's 26 Australian. So it's maybe 15 or 16 US, maybe. I got here nice and early, so it's not too crowded. It's going in through the gate.
My name is Tomaselli.
Tomaselli? Hello, yeah. Tomaselli.
No. Where do you come from?
Australia. And now we go through the metal detectors. I've got my little shoe covers here. We're right at the beginning. You expect the Taj Mahal, everything to be that white marble. Oh, guys, look at this. Look at this.
The white marble is over there.
Oh, guys, I'm excited. One of the 7 wonders of the world, and we're about to head in. That was a drama getting through security.
First of all, welcome at the Taj Mahal.
Thank you.
We have entered in the complex of Taj Mahal, and the place where we're walking here, actually this is the courtyard of the building. 4-court area, and from here we can see 4 gardens and 4 gates easily. But for the entrance in this premises, we have 2 options to come. First, the gate which we chose for coming over here is the western gate, and we call it common gate. Generally tourists coming from here. Second, in front of it over there, people can come from there as well, but we call it VIP gate. Any VIPs like celebrities, politicians, ministers, when they come to see Taj Mahal, always coming from there.
Okay.
So Mr. Paul can come next time from there.
Yeah. From here, the actual Taj Mahal looks very, very close, but it's actually half a kilometre away. And as we get closer to this gate, it'll start getting further and further away. Amazing optical illusion. So this little lake here, guys, when the fountains aren't going, you can see a perfect mirror image of the Taj Mahal. You can see it a little bit there, you guys won't be able to see it. But the blue line down the middle is the exact centre of the Taj Mahal, and either side of that is exactly the same. The towers here, the towers there, the gardens, they're a mirror image of each other. Now, this little innocent looking little box here, this is where the Queen was first, because the Taj Mahal was built by an Afghan invader who was king here for a long time. And he had 3 wives. That was his 3rd wife that the Taj Mahal was built for, and she was the only one that gave him children. She was the one that he loved. And she had 14 children in 19 years, and before there was just nothing here. So her body was here for a few months. Then they did the foundations of the Taj Mahal, and she was moved to there, where she is to this day. And no cameras inside, so I've just got to put this away now, and I'll describe it to you when I get back out. Okay, so across here, at the other side of the river, was supposed to be the Black Taj Mahal. That was supposed to be, it was the king himself was going to be there, so him and his wife could be across the river from each other forever. But his son put him in jail, killed his 2 brothers, put his father in jail so he could be the king, and they weren't wasting all this money on stuff. Just over there is where I was before, where they wouldn't let me take the photo with the motorbike. That's the fort over there, but we'll go to the fort tomorrow. Just amazing, guys. And look at this. Everyone, of all these flowers and everything, there's hundreds and hundreds of little ones inside, and every petal and things is maybe 20 different coloured stones from all over the world that make up each one of these flowers. And inside they're only like this big. Amazing. Inside was amazing, guys, incredible. And the only part of this whole thing that's not symmetrical, because the king had planned to build his own Taj Mahal, there was nowhere for him to be buried, so his daughter just put him in there. So the only part is in the centre of inside. There's 2 tombs, and the Queen's in the centre and the King's on the left. Amazing. And the towers on either side, there's 4 towers on each corner, and they're built slightly leaning outwards on purpose, because if there's ever an earthquake or something here, they'll fall away from the Taj Mahal instead of damaging it. And you remember, guys, this was built 400 or 500 years ago, so amazing technology, really incredible. And some of the 3D effects in there, the inlays of the stone. What a day, guys. And the people that have watched my videos since the beginning, you know, these old buildings really excite me. And this, everyone will tell you that photos and videos don't do it justice. Everyone is correct. Well, guys, I just battled half an hour of hell to show you the East Gate. This is as close as I can get to it without paying. But you'd think the VIP gate would be easier to get to than this. But you can see, guys, I'm sweating, it's hot. I'm going to go back to my hotel, and here's another view of the Taj Mahal. This is my favourite one, I think. This is just incredible. And the reason that the marble's still so white after hundreds of years is Indian marble's non-porous. So you can pour a cup of tea, you can pour tomato sauce, raspberry juice, anything on there, and you can just wipe it off because there's nothing to absorb the stain, where marbles from other places around the world will absorb stains. That's why they get that orangey tint to them over the years. Isn't this just amazing, guys? What a day I've had. I'll zoom the GoPro in and you can have a proper look. Look at that. And guys, you can see how many people, well, I can see, I don't know if you can on the GoPro, but there's so many people there now. I did go at the right time this morning. I've been back at the hotel and had a bit of a rest this afternoon. Just incredible, guys. Amazing, what a day. And while I was still taking photos and things here, I've had some little mates come up and say hello. Say hello. And everyone's always curious about Libby. She's such a different bike to anything else here. This little bloke here, makes my favourite chai in Agra. The best chai in Agra, isn't it? Yes. Oh, I just came out. I wasn't very hungry. I was just going to get some pani puri. But then I saw this place doing momos. And it's Romo's Momos. So I'm guessing they're going to be pretty good. I just got them as parcel, which is takeaway in India. And I'll go back and be lazy. It's been a long, long day. It's been a good day though, guys. That Taj Mahal, what an amazing building. And the fact that it's the stuff that they did there, there's stuff I couldn't show you on camera because it wouldn't work, but like there's 5 cornered pillars. But when the way that the designs are, when you look at them from a distance, it looks like they're 10 corner. Just amazing, guys. There's a lot of stuff, and all the intricate design, everything on there that looked like paintings was in-leafed stone. There wasn't any painting at all, and that's why it's lasted this long. Just amazing work, amazing. Well, I've got a serve of fried momos, chicken momos, and steamed. I'll try the steamed first. Oh, that's really, really good. But I think the fried one's going to be even better. Just the texture of it and everything, nice and crunchy. Oh. Well, that's just delicious, guys. I'm going to turn the camera off and enjoy these. I've got 6 of each. That'll do me for my dinner. I've got plenty of footage to make a video, so if you haven't subscribed yet, guys, hit that Mad Dog icon up there or the subscribe button down below. May as well hit that bell icon while you're down there. I always try and respond to your comments, so leave a comment, give me a big thumbs up, share this video everywhere you can. We'll see you in the next one.